Hi everyone, welcome back. I've had a few requests for a potato stuffing. Potato stuffing is very popular at Christmas time and it goes really well with your turkey, goose, roast pork, whatever you're having on the day. There are two different types, one with celery and one with apple. I'm making the one with apple today. If you prefer the celery one, I will include the amounts of celery that you need and you just swap the apple out for the celery and just cook it all in the same way. So to get started, I've melted some butter on my pan and into here I'm going to add in some white onion. I'm also going to add in a Bramley apple. You could use a Granny Smith apple either. Turn the heat up and we're going to cook this for about 6 to 7 minutes till it's nice and soft. The onion and apple is lovely and soft now, so just turn it off. Into here I'm going to add some herbs and I've got some sage, parsley, and some thyme. Mix that in. Smells gorgeous. Now I'm going to add in my mashed potato. You can boil your potatoes and mash them, or you can use leftover mashed potato, which I'm using. I find Roosters the best potato for making this. You need a nice floury potato, and I'm going to add in some breadcrumbs as well. This just helps bind it together, they're optional. And get all this mixed in now. That's great. Before I finish, I must add some seasoning, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt and black pepper. Mix that in one last time. It smells really good, and I'm happy with that now. Now let's get it into a dish, and I've greased this one. Let's get it in there. Just press it down. Just use a spatula to level the top. This is ready now. You can place this in the fridge for up to 2 days before you bake it, so it's real handy if you want to make it in advance for Christmas Day. I'm going to bake it now in the oven for about 35 minutes. Fresh from the oven, it smells so good. It's a nice golden colour and it's got a lovely crispy top. While it's still hot, add a little butter to the top and just let it melt in. I'm going to scoop a little out so you can see what the inside is like. Just look at that. It's nice and soft and creamy, full of flavour from all those lovely herbs and apple. And there you have it, a beautiful potato stuffing. Imagine this on your plate with turkey, veg and all the trimmings and a generous pour of rich, flavourful gravy poured all over it. Try it out and I really hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy.